Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I am going to be sharing my nighttime skincare routine with y'all. Before we hop into this video, if this is your first time watching me, don't let this be the last. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Alright, let's hop into it. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by showing you what my face used to look like in the past versus what it looks like right now. I mostly uploaded photos of my right cheek because that's where I had the most acne on. I want to say if you're struggling with acne, I want you to know that you're beautiful, you're handsome. And yeah, I'm not in no way trying to tell you how to feel because I absolutely hate it when people try to tell me how to feel. So yeah, I just want you to know that you're beautiful and that you're handsome and we're all in this together. If you clicked on this video, it's because you wanted to see my journey, and I hope you learned a thing or two from it. Next, I'm going to be washing my face with my Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. I turned on the tap to make sure that the water was warm enough, and then I proceeded to, rinse in my face to, open my pores. After which, I used 2 pumps of the acne wash, and then I proceeded to wash on my face. So I personally chose the oil-free acne wash because I have oily skin. My skin gets really oily during summertime, most especially my nose, my forehead, and a little bit of my chin, but not so much on my chin. So this contains 2% salicylic acid, which is an acne treatment. It also contains citric acid, chamomile leaf extract, as well as aloe leaf extracts, which are all nice for, soothing your acne, brightening up your skin, eliminating acne scars, and so much more. Also guys, I recently got into the habits of drying my face with paper towels. I just don't know why my skin issues is just OD, y'all. Like, I would just rather dry my face with paper towels than use, actual towels. So yeah. The next step is my favorite. I am going to be applying my aloe max. So I went ahead and cut out a tiny piece of the aloe, and then I cut both ends of it. After which I cut it in half, and then I'm just going to be using 1/2 of it. The other half I'm going to store in the fridge. Then I'm just going to proceed to applying it to my face. Also guys, you can purchase your aloe plants at your local market or Giants. I got this from Giants for $1.49, which is really cheap, guys. Like $1.49, $1.49. Not only are they cheap, but they also work. This does wonders, guys, like, trust me. Also guys, when you store them in the fridge, it makes it more refreshing and soothing. Also, let's not forget that aloe has so much skin benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B, enzymes, protein, amino acid, folic acid, and so much more. And guys, they work. Like, trust me, they work wonders. Trust me on this. Aloe plants has changed my life. I use them everywhere. Like, I really do, guys. They just work. As you can see, I am pushing my tongue into the aloe plants to get out the gel. This enables me to get out all that gel, all that juice out of it, and then, apply it to my face like so. Oh hell no! So guys, if you're looking to clearing your acne and also getting rid of your dark spots, then go ahead and get you some aloe. Like, seriously, go get some. It works. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. Also guys, feel free to leave this on your face a little longer if you want. You can leave this on for 30 minutes, for an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, an entire day. Like, trust me, you can go to bed with this. You can do whatever you want. Aloe is just that, it's just that good. Trust me. Alright guys, next I'm going to be washing my face with my black soap. I wanted to quickly show you guys what my face looked like after my mask was fully dried. So black soaps are great for sensitive skin types. So if you have sensitive skin just like I do, then I would suggest that you also get you one. Also, this helps cleanse the skin. It also suits your acne. It also helps reduce blemishes as well as dark spots. So yeah, if you're looking to fade your spots and get rid of your acne, I would suggest that you hop on the train, because I don't joke with my black soap. I also wanted to mention that if you have dry skin, I would suggest that you use the black soaps once a day, because it tends to dry out the skin, which is why I particularly use it, because like I mentioned earlier, I have super oily skin. So I am consistently looking for ways to, minimize how much oil my skin produces. Next, I'm going to be washing my face with my Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Cleanser. This contains 10% benzoyl peroxide, which is the maximum strength. This is an acne medication, so please, 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 please be extremely careful while using it, because they will dry your face out and then eventually break you out. So be extremely careful while using it. I got this from Target. I'm gonna try to link every single product that I use in the description box. I wouldn't advise you to get this from Amazon. I know it's easier and cheaper to get acne medications or anything at all from Amazon, but I wouldn't advise you to try that with acne medications or even a face oil or anything. I just would not advise anyone to get anything that goes on the face from Amazon, because they really do be out there scamming people and changing ingredients. So yeah, that's about that. So if you do plan on getting the Neutrogena Rapid Stubborn Acne Cleanser, I would advise you to use it every other day for 2 weeks, and then use it every day the week after. Or if your skin is less sensitive, I would advise you to use it every other day for a week, and then every single day afterwards. Alright guys, next I'll be applying my Dickinson Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner. This is alcohol free and it has rose water in it. This contains hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin E. And yes, I did look up how to pronounce that. Whew. A lot of people sleep on this, but baby girl, when I tell you this works, it absolutely works. I got this for Giants for $5 and some change. I recently found one at Walmart for $4 and some change. They're pretty much the same price, but yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I will link them all in the description box down below. As you can see, the curtain ranch has a little bit of dirt on it, which shows you the whole purpose of using a toner. Not only does it turn your face, but it also helps remove any, makeup residue or any dirt that you might have on your face. Next, I'll be going in with my Kiva Tea Tree Oil Acne Treatment Cream. I've raved a lot about this on Instagram. Also, if you haven't checked me out on IG, please do so. My Instagram username is faves_on. Anyways, this product absolutely works. I promise you that it would reduce your acne by 70%. Trust me on that. Kiva works just like that. I would advise you to stick to acne cream instead of acne wash. I personally do both. I say this because acne wash, you basically wash it off your face, whereas acne cream, it stays on your face throughout the day. Also guys, Next, I'll be going in with my Acne.org moisturizer. I personally don't like this moisturizer just because it makes my face extra oily. So if you have oily skin, I won't recommend this. I only use this at nighttime just because I wash my face a lot at nighttime. So I try to, rehydrate it. So don't get this if you have oily skin. Next, I am going to be using this fade cream on my face. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this because your girl don't know how to pronounce it. And once again, I refuse to become a meme. Like, God forbid. Next, I'm going to be applying my Orange Fragrance Science Pure Natural Essential Oil to my face. So I got this on Facebook. I know, don't judge me. I recently started using this last year. I started using it last year, summer 2019, because I read about fighting oil with oil. So I started this thing where I would apply oil to my face before going to bed, and it really did help minimize the amount of oil I had on my face. So of course, your girl was about to try that again this summer. The one thing about this product is it might be a little fishy because people might sell their off-brand on Facebook, so I advise you to be cautious of that. Alright guys, this pretty much completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Leave a comment or 2 or 5, go crazy. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see next. Let me know if you have any suggestions for more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you'll be notified every single time that I upload a video. Also guys, did I mention subscribe? And also check me out on Instagram because I do ask people questions on what they would like to see and things of that sort. I also talk about my acne a lot on Instagram, so definitely check me out at faves_on. And did I mention subscribe?